In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account on Turbotax. If you want to save a bank account as a payment method in your Turbotax or Intuit account, the process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and I'll also point out what to expect on each screen so you can move through it with confidence. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your Turbotax account. Once you're on the main Turbotax page, look toward the to area of the screen and click on Intuit account. This will take you out of the main tax workflow and into your overall account settings, where your personal account details and billing options are managed. After the Intuit account page opens, take a moment to let everything load fully. From there, find and click Payment Methods. This is the section where Intuit stores the payment options connected to your account. If you've previously added a card or bank account, you may see it listed here already. If not, that's completely fine. You'll simply be adding a new one. Once you're inside the payment method section, look for the option that says Add Payment Method and click it. After that, choose the bank account option if prompted. You'll then be asked to enter your bank information. Typically, this includes details like your routing number, your account number, and sometimes the type of account, such as checking or savings. As you enter your information, go slowly and double check each number before moving on. Bank details are sensitive, and even one incorrect digit can cause problems later. It's usually best to copy the information directly from your bank's official documents or online banking portal rather than entering it from memory. After entering the required bank details, follow the on-screen prompts to continue and save the payment method. Depending on your account settings, Turbotax or Intuit may ask you to verify the information before it's fully added. Just complete whatever confirmation steps appear on your screen. And that's it. Once saved, your bank account should appear in the payment methods section of your Intuit account. A good final step is to review the saved entry and make sure the bank account listed matches what you intended to add. If you're updating an old payment method rather than adding a brand new one, the same payment methods area is where you'll usually manage those changes. Thanks for watching, and that's how to add a bank account on Turbotax.